हेलो दोस्तों, इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टेल यू हाउ to import contact from Google account. So if you have already Android phone and you have lost your phone and you have Gmail account, so your Google contact already will be saved by default in your Google contacts. To see Google contact, just you need to Google search contact. If you have already logged in your Gmail account on your laptop, so just search contacts here. You can find Google contacts. Go to the Google contacts. After going to the Google contact, you can see now the contact listed here. So in this screen you can see contacts and frequent contacts, merge and fix. So what you need to do, if you want to export your contact to any CSV file, for if you need to import a contact for a iOS phone, simple what you can do is you can now export as vcard. So your contact for vcard will be saved here, you can see. And if you will import this contact into your iOS phone, you can just need to select this vcard and you can import your these contacts into your iOS phone. If you have, like, if you have Google account and you want to export contact as CSV file, you can like you can select Google CSV, Outlook CSV, vcard. Like I have selected Google CSV. I have 990 contacts here, so I just need to export. I can see this export file will be generated. After that, if you want to import other contacts you have already saved in this CSV file, what you need to do is you just need to select on import and you can just select your file. Like import, you can, like I have 1000 contact like this, and your contact will be imported. You just need to click on import and your 1000, like you have 1000 contact and all your 1000 contact will be imported into your Google contact account. You can see it's importing now. All done. You can see now, you can see the list of all the contacts here. Like I have imported, previously I have 1000, approximately 1000 contacts. Now you can see I have 1990 contacts. So this is all what how to import contacts. So if you have your Android phone, I will tell you how to if you have any Android phone, I will tell you how to, like, log in your Android phone with your existing Google contact that you are already using in another phone. So what you need to do is just you need to go to account. What you can do is just, I have already account here, Google account. So if you want to add account here, just you need to go to the phone setting and you need to, what you need to do is, so you need to go to this Google account. So I have already added here. So I will tell you the best method to do is, just what you can do is you can go to the Gmail, like you can go to add email account and just you need to fill your Gmail ID and password, and after that your Google account will be configured. And you can see after that, after login this, you can see your contact on your like on your phone. So, and so this is all about how to import contact to Android phone and how to import contact for your iOS phone. Thank you so much. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to my channel and you can watch more video relating to this stuff. Thank you so much.